Lindy AI versus n8n. In this 2025 comparison, we'll find out which automation tool is better for you. Make sure to like and subscribe. Starting with Lindy AI, Lindy positions itself as an AI powered executive assistant. It helps you with scheduling, summarizing, emails, and task delegation. It's great for individuals or teams who want AI that feels like a human assistant. On the other hand, n8n is designed for developers and automation enthusiasts. It focuses on no-code and API-driven workflows, letting you build custom automations across platforms. Compared to Lindy, it's more technical but also more flexible. Now, let's hop on to its features. Lindy AI provides assistant-like features with natural language commands. n8n offers workflow building, API connections, and automation templates. Second is learning curve. Lindy is plug and play with minimal setup. n8n requires some learning, especially if you're customizing workflows deeply. Third is customization. Lindy is limited to its assistant skill set, while n8n shines when you want custom API-based automations. For its ideal audience, Lindy fits professionals who want AI to handle daily tasks, while n8n is for developers or power users who like building automation logic. For its value, Lindy is worth it if you want simplicity, while n8n gives more power and scalability for teams of advanced users. So, if you want a personal AI assistant, go with Lindy. But if your focus is complex workflows and integration, n8n is a stronger choice. Now, you can pick the right AI tool for your work in 2025. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.